check these things out. They're from the company QUINEAR, and this is the box I got mine in right here. I've been using these for around about a month now, and I just wanted to kind of do a quick review on them and show y'all exactly what you get in the box. It's cordless leg massagers. You get 2 of them in there, a left and a right. You get 3 intensity level, 3 modes, and 3 levels of heat, and I will go over that here in a minute. They promote leg circulation, relieves muscle soreness, and fast exercise recovery, which, you know what, we all need. So this is what you get. You get a charger here that's a dual USB-C charger. You can see how it separates right here. Pretty quick charging. I think it takes a little over an hour. A bag that all of this goes down inside this bag, and actually a pretty decent bag with a drawstring right here on the top. I do like that. You get some literature here. The user manual just kind of goes over some instructions here and kind of shows you how to use them. But you know what? That's what you got me for. So let's go ahead. Let's put these things on. I'm going to put the left and right on simultaneously. Then I'll use them and I'll show you exactly what. And I'll kind of talk through what I'm experiencing with these things. So let's do that now. Okay, first off, we'll use the left one here. So open it up. The Velcro's pretty solid Velcro. I don't see any issues with that. I've been using it for a while. Still feels pretty good. Right here, just fold it over. Make sure the Velcro lining is in the front like this, and this is going to be on the outside. See, I've got the left on the outside, the right's on the other side. To turn it on, you're going to mash this button right there. As soon as it turns on, you see these right here? It's already on mode 1. I'm going to go mode 2. I'm going to go heat 3, and then 3 intensity. Now what I'm feeling right away, it's doing the top first around this area right here, compressing down. That feels great, everybody. All it's doing is squeezing the blood flow in the leg. So if you've got varicose veins or you've got some sort of pain in your calves and shins, this will be the ticket for you right here because this feels great. So your intensity goes 1. That's the squeeze power. I usually just go 3 every time. And each time this runs for 20 minutes, maybe in the morning, maybe in the evening, or once a day. And they suggest whenever you get tired or your legs are sore, you should use this. Everybody, this is something I recommend for anyone that's a runner or that stands a lot, whether it's at work or they get pain, shin splints or varicose veins in their like shins right here. This is what you need. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the QUINEAR, calf squeezer. See y'all in the next video.